Hello guys, it's me again, Mom Shawie. So today I have also received the second package. So I have already unboxed the first one, which is this one, and I'm gonna use it for my second unboxing. So guys, another package from TikTok Shop. So I choose this. I purchased this for my other gadget. So, okay. So guys, here it is. Wow! My traveling bag. Laptop traveling bag. So I have purchased this on TikTok Shop with Sir Manuel. So I'll be using this for traveling purposes, for hampering my gadget, my laptop and my MacBook. So see guys, it's so big. Yeah, it's so big with numerous zipper and this with handle. See guys. Okay, so I love also the color. So thank you very much guys for watching in my second unboxing with this lavalier wireless microphone. So thank you very much guys and more power. Mabuhay!